Hello everyone, this is Satanas with LegalTrek. Today I'm going to show you a useful addition to our client page. So number one, we have hidden the multiple buttons that we had started lining here, and the same as matters, we had created an actions button. What you can do from the actions is the previous button convert to contact and two new features, remove documents and remove all data. What is this? This is an irreversible removal of data that you can use for your old clients. I repeat, this is irreversible. Once you click it, that's it. The data is gone from the system. And we cannot help you restore it, so have that in mind when you use the feature. As you can see, there are two options. Remove documents will just remove the saved documents that you have for this client, and the more interesting one, remove all data. This is going to clear the client information, matters, comments, subscriptions, accounts, everything. Now, the important part is that the billings, because of course you have billings for this client, you've invoiced them, this is part from your financial information, and it's something that should not get lost. What happens is that the billings get moved to your internal client. And if you don't know, you can set your internal clients from settings, billing settings, general. If you don't have an internal client, you're not going to be able to use this feature. So now when I click yes, the matters will be gone, the comments will be gone, billings and billing reports will be removed from this client and moved into the internal client. So still you can remember what you have invoiced, and you can have your clear data. Now, the data gets removed in the background, meaning you don't have to wait. So when you click OK, if it's a big client with many billings or many matters, it may take several minutes, and you'll receive an in-app notification when it's done. So actually you can continue with your work. Let's say we can test another client, how this is going to work. Let's say, okay, there are no clients here. Let's say something. A name of a client, and again the same thing is going to happen. You are going to have this actions, and you can remove documents or you can remove all data. I'm showing you again, and the purpose of doing that is to make sure that the notification pops up at a certain moment. So now you can be back to your schedule doing something else, and at a certain moment you're going to receive this this information that the deletion has been completed. Billings move to your internal client. In my case, the internal client is LegalTrek Ltd, and you can find those here probably already. Okay, that's it. Не, това го записах лошо.